If you have been looking for a way to generate high-quality AI images completely for free with no watermarks and no subscription, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to do that using a platform called Google Flow, and by the end, you will be generating unlimited professional images at zero cost. To get started, open your browser and search for Google Flow. Make sure you click on the correct link by Google Labs. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google account. If you do not have one, creating one is completely free and only takes a minute. After signing in, you will land on the Google Flow dashboard. The first thing you want to do is create a new project. Click on New Project. Give it time to load. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with and unlocks access to the tools we are going to use today. Once inside your project, the next step is to configure your settings. Click on the image option to switch to image generation mode. Now choose your aspect ratio depending on what you need. If you are creating images for a standard YouTube video or a blog post, select 16:9. If you are creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels, select 9:16. You can also choose how many images you want generated in a single batch. I recommend selecting more than one, so you have different options to pick from. Now take a look at the model being used. You will see it is set to Nano Banana Pro, which is one of the most powerful image generation models available right now, and it is capable of producing highly realistic, professional quality images. And here is the part that makes this so powerful. Look at the credit cost right here. 0 credits. Every image you generate costs you absolutely nothing. Now it is time to generate images without spending a single coin. I prepared my prompts in advance using ChatGPT to make sure they are detailed and professional. I will paste this last one now. Go ahead and paste your prompt into the prompt field and hit Generate. Give it a few seconds to process and watch the results appear. Look at these images. The detail is incredible. Look at the skin texture, the lighting, the background quality. This is the kind of output you would expect from a paid tool, and it is completely free. There is no watermark anywhere on these images and no subscription required to download them. To download your image, click on the download option and before saving, upscale it to 2K for the highest possible output quality. Once it downloads, navigate to the file on your device and open it to see the full resolution result. And the best part is, you can keep going. Paste in another prompt, hit Generate, and repeat the process as many times as you want. There is no daily limit, no credit system holding you back, and no hidden fees. Completely free and completely unlimited. And that is how simple it is to generate professional AI images for free using Google Flow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who would find it useful. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this. I will see you in the next one.